Good morning, students. Welcome to your EVS class. From today onwards, we are going to start our revision for final term. So let us begin with chapter number 11, Types of Houses. In this chapter, we have read that the earliest human being used to shelter themselves from bad weather and danger by living in caves. They used to live in caves to protect themselves from bad weather as well as from danger. Danger means danger of different animals, wild animals. Because of that, they used to take shelter in caves. Later on, human beings began to build simple homes from the natural materials that were available like wood, bamboo, straw, dried grass and mud. These are the natural materials which were available easily. So human being used to build simple homes from all these available materials. But with the passage of time, people began to build stronger houses. Stronger houses build करना शुरू किया human being ने with sturdier construction that were well built. Okay, these houses were well built and materials like mud and bricks were used for these kind of homes. Okay, nowadays most people live in houses that are made up of bricks, cement, stone, steel, wood and glass. So these are the material that are used nowadays to build houses. Material used to construct house. What are the materials that are needed to build or construct house? Natural materials like stone, clay, plant leaves and fibers were the only material available to the first human beings who built houses. As we know, first of all, human beings used to live in caves and later on they used natural materials to build their houses. But nowadays, even glass is used to make walls of a building. As we know that timber or wood is one of the oldest building material that is used by human beings. Okay, brick, stone, wood allows air and moisture to pass through it, and the use of brick, stone and wood in constructing a house allows air and moisture to pass through it. Bricks are one of the most important materials used to build house. We have also read that the bricks are one of the major or important materials that is needed to build houses. They are made by molding clay into a rectangular blocks. You can see in this image that bricks are clay that are molded into rectangular blocks. Bricks are one of the important materials that is required to build a house. Then we have read about the people who build houses. Architects draw the plan of a house. We know that architects help us by drawing the plan of a house. Based on the plan, mason builds the house, and according to the plan which is drawn by the architect, mason builds the house by using bricks and stone. Later on, carpenter used wood to make doors and windows as well as the cupboards. Then plumbers fit in the pipes for water supply, taps and other fixtures that is required in toilets and kitchen. This is done by plumbers. And what about electricians? Electricians fit in